If you want to predictably grow your sales on Amazon in 2021, then you need brand assets. So brand assets are a marketing list that you can retarget in the future to offer future promotions and or future product launches. A brand asset can take the form of an email list and a chatbot marketing list. Both of these are an audience that are already warm and an audience that you can offer, like I just mentioned, future product launches, promotions, or even product education to help the user better enjoy your product and or even share your product with their social media, with their friends, with their family, etc. Having your own marketing list is extremely powerful for Amazon sellers. Now, one of the most common questions I get asked the most is, how can I consistently drive sales to my Amazon listing? And the fastest way to do that is through a marketing list, because this way you own the audience and you own how many times you send emails to them, reach out to them on chatbot marketing systems. With that, you can also build Facebook lookalike audiences. Really, having these assets for an audience that you own is extremely powerful for continually and predictably growing your sales, because as you know, Amazon owns the customers since it's on Amazon's marketplace. So for you to generate your own audience will already set you aside from your main competitors who are just relying on Amazon to generate sales for their products. Now I'm about to show you how you can set this up in seconds on RebatePal, and how the future of marketing depends on how often you touch your audience with marketing offers and promotions. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. That way, as I give more Amazon FBA tips like this, you'll get notified. So at RebatePal, we really wanted to make the entire process of growing your brand assets and consistently growing sales for your Amazon products as easy as possible, all while requiring zero technical knowledge. So not only can you grow your sales on Amazon, but you can also boost your reviews, offer promotions in the future, and you can do all of that seamlessly with just a few clicks inside the RebatePal dashboard. So let's go ahead and take a look at the process so you can get started today to grow your brand assets. So when you're looking at the RebatePal dashboard, all you need to do is click right here where it says ManyChat integrations, and go ahead and select the flow you want to use for your first promotion. In this example, I'm just going to use a coupon flow, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to set this up. So all it's going to ask you for right now is just a few product details, and you can simply fill it out in seconds here. So all you need to do is put your ASIN. So you can put your ASIN there. You can name the flow anything you'd like. This section right here, make sure you put your keyword for your product, the price of your product, and I'm going to go ahead and offer, for this example, a 70% coupon promotion just to entice more people to sign up, not only for the product, but also to get more leads for the Amazon FBA businesses. Generally, the higher the discount, the more leads you'll get for your business, which means more sales and also a larger marketing list. And in this section right here where it says product URL, you can go ahead and leave it as is if you'd like. The default is directly to your listing, so we're just going to send people directly to your ASIN without any sort of super URL. But if you do want to use a super URL, you can simply paste it in this section right here if you want to rank higher on Amazon for keywords. Now, if you want to set a daily coupon limit, you can simply put that there. In this example, I'll just put 100. And this is where you're going to upload your single-use coupon codes. Make sure these two are checked. And all you have to do at this point is click on Create Campaign. And now your ManyChat flow is ready to be exported and saved to your ManyChat Pro account. And if you have any questions or get lost in how it looks like on the ManyChat side, just to finish setting up your first campaign to grow your email list. So once you're inside ManyChat, go ahead and click on Install right here. Okay, and now you're going to go ahead and just add the flow to your Facebook page. Again, this comes after you click on Import Template right here. So you clicked on Import Template, it sends you to ManyChat, and now you're going to go ahead and add your Facebook page to get this ball rolling. And if this is your very first time installing our ManyChat flow, then you're gonna need to leave everything as is and click on Install. You don't have to change anything at all. You just click Install and that's it. If this is your second, third, fourth, or any campaigns outside of the first campaign, then on this screen right here, all you need to do is click on this X and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and click X right here because this is not my first ManyChat campaign. And now I'm gonna go ahead and click on Install Now. Then simply click on Continue. Now, if this is your first time installing the ManyChat flow, then all you need to do at this point is click on View Template and move on to the next step that I'm about to go over. If this is your second, third, or fourth campaign on ManyChat, then you do need to switch out this code right here. And you can find this code inside of the RebatePal dashboard. So if you go back to your RebatePal tab, and we're still on the How to Use page right here, just scroll down all the way to the bottom, and we're gonna go ahead and provide you with the unique ManyChat code that you're gonna need to paste in this section right here. Again, if this is your second, third, or fourth ManyChat campaign that you're running, okay? And if it's not, then you can just leave this section as is and click on View Template right here. Then all you need to do is name your template, okay? So after you click on View Template, you can name this anything you'd like. I'm just gonna put today's date. So I'll just put that there, and I'll just go ahead and leave that as is. And now I'm just clicking enter to save it. So all you need to do is click on Growth Tools. Once you've named your campaign, go ahead and click on New Growth Tool. Simply name your campaign again. I'm just gonna put today's date for this example. And now make sure you click where it says Facebook Ads JSON right here. It's the little thumbs up icon. And simply replace this with the flow you just created. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on Replace right here, and then just find the flow that you just created. And that's why it's important to name them, because if you have quite a few flows running, it can kind of get convoluted in this section. So this is the flow we just created. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. Go ahead and click on this little folder icon, click on this, and now select this flow. Perfect, and that's it. Now to install this on your Facebook ads, you'll just click right here where it says setup and copy the code at the bottom and paste it into your Facebook ad. And again, that's literally it. All you are doing on this process is just click, and copy paste. That's literally it. You don't have to actually go into the flow, and you don't have to have any technical knowledge at all. And again, if you get lost at any point of the process, it should be super easy. Again, we're just clicking here, but there is a tutorial video to help you along the way. So now that you've finally set up your very first ManyChat flow, you're now ready to start receiving leads for your business that you can, again, later remarket to, offer upsell offers, cross-sell promotions. You can do so many things now that you have an engine going that's going to be generating consistent leads and consistent sales for your Amazon FBA business. Now, when you're looking at the RebatePal dashboard, to keep track of all the emails you're collecting, simply go ahead and click right here on whether it's rebate sent or total coupons claimed. Since we just created a coupon campaign, I'm gonna click on the coupon section. So from this screen right here, all you need to do is click export, and you'll be able to send out all of the information that you're generating from all of the leads for your business. So you'll have the names of the customers and their emails that you can then add to your email marketing software to begin your marketing promotions. So we, again, make it extremely easy for you to do all of this. And best of all, you'll be able to generate leads on a daily basis for your Amazon FBA business. With RebatePal, it's never been easier to grow your Amazon FBA business and consistently drive sales, get more reviews, and have a warm audience that's ready to receive future promotions and will allow you to tap into an audience without having to rely so heavily on Amazon PPC. Now you can take traffic into your own hands by building brand assets and thinking long term to consistently grow your sales and build out a strong FBA business. So if you want to get started with RebatePal today for only $1, I will have a link below in the description so you can get started and see how powerful the RebatePal platform is in helping you drive sales and building brand assets for your FBA business. Well, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and give this video a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next video.